Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new fresh vlog. Right now I'm going to a very beautiful place. I'm in taxi because today is very hot, so I don't want to use bike because it's kind of sweaty, so it's not looking good when you make a video and you have a sweat on your shirt. So stay with me guys, this video is going to be very beautiful and informative. In this video I'm going to tell you the biggest question you ever have asked me. Like a lot of you guys are asking me which VPN you use in China. I will tell you in this video what is VPN, how to use this, and why you need it when you come to China or every country you need that VPN. So I will tell you all about the VPN in this video, and still enjoy this beautiful vlog and be with me, stick with me until the end of this video. Also I will fly the drone in this video, so let's go. Bye bye. So now let's talk about the today's video sponsor. The today's video sponsor is guys the Astral VPN, the one of the most fastest VPN in the world and especially in China. I am using this VPN since last 2 years. That is why I am suggesting you this VPN. Guys, this Astral VPN is very easy for user. The most important thing whenever you have something like VPN, the important thing is the use for user. It's very easy, just one click you can log in, just with another click you can log out. This is very easy, and the user experience is very amazing. Another thing is in this VPN guys, it has more than 80 servers in the world. You can choose whatever server you want, whatever country you are in. Especially in China you must need VPN because in China you cannot use any application of Google, so you don't need to think about that you will use Google without VPN. So that is why you must need very powerful VPN. Another thing is that in this Astral VPN guys, you can test the server speed. It has more than 80 country servers, so whatever server is the fastest, like you can see right now I am testing the speed, so it has like more than 60 or 70 MB per second speed. This is phenomenal guys, this is amazing. Like per second speed like more than 60 MB. Wow, this is amazing. So another thing is guys, a lot of you would thinking the price plan guys. So you guys can see the price plan. 1 month is $20 for 1 year. If you want to buy this price plan is $120. Here you guys can see as I have already bought it. So I'm using this VPN since last 2 years. That is why I'm suggesting you. I hope you would like this VPN, and go just click the first link in the description, download 7 days free trial, and if you like then just buy for 1 month or year or maybe 3 years, and if you don't like you can just skip it. And another final thing about this VPN is 5 devices can use this simultaneously. Your 5 devices, maybe you can give to your friend, your family, but 5 devices can use it simultaneously. If you just use more than 5, so 1 device will be disconnected. So guys, yeah, that was it for today's sponsor, and thank you so much for watching this video, and let's more further into rest of the video. Let's begin. This park is wonderful, it's very big. I have been here, I have made one video here. Oh, it's a little bit windy, I'm scared about my camera. So guys, I will fly the drone here, you guys can enjoy. But if you want the VPN for China, so you guys can click the first link on this video description, and you guys can see and download this VPN for first 7 days free trial. And if you like, then that you can buy this, and from my link if you buy there is nothing extra, they will charge you nothing, so you guys can enjoy this. But let me first open this drone. Okay, oh yeah, so right now I'm keeping my camera down because a little bit dangerous. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you, this feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts.
it's too late. Said you wanted honest. I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't